Well, I want to go on the record as saying this is probably a bad idea. What my bad idea is the idea of taking my personal bike here, which is a 2006 Triumph Bonneville. And what I'm planning on doing is taking the stock paint, which is in perfect condition, and using some aircraft paint thinner to bring it back to raw metal, clear coat it, and giving it a rugged look. This is probably a bad idea. And make sure it's off, and then remove the gas line. We're gonna drain the gas into this bucket. I've got my aircraft paint remover. I've got a little scrub brush and a paint brush to help apply and to help remove. At this point, you want to make sure without a doubt you've got some gloves to protect your skin, and I'd highly recommend some protection for your eyes. That's the first application, so we're gonna leave it on there about 20 minutes and come check and see if it's bubbling up before we mess with it. That is no sound effect. That is the sound of paint leaving the metal of the gas tank. We're gonna help it out with the old scrub brush. Very lightly. All right, so this project is officially a wrap. After removing all the paint from the tank, we clear coated this and put all the decals and the caps and the petcock and things back on to give it this final look. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Was this a great idea or a terrible idea?